so it will be like 5 minutes or so because basically when I had the organizer stuff, I was searching for people to give talks, but nobody wanted to talk, so I prepared something. Well, I thought I would prepare something, but I didn't. So now it's lightning talk. So the idea, actually, I will look at what I wrote on Pyvo because I forgot what I wrote there. So what was the main idea of this? So yeah. So I do like Python courses, and basically what I do is like this is like how you use strings. This is basically I can just show you. Python.org. This is like I cannot write again. So this is like nice page. Yep. So we have like hello world, variables, lists, operators, functions, loops, and just the basic stuff you need to build most of the programs. So when we do that, then I tell people like, now what do you want to do? And they don't know. So now I will actually want to start a little discussion. Like if you wanted to convince someone to use Python, like what would you tell them you can do in Python? There are many things you can do in Python. So any ideas what you can do in Python? I will start with something that you can make music in Python. Yeah?
Snake.
Yeah, you can do snake. Snake game, yeah. You can do snake game on mobile, in Kiwi, and just in the desktop, web application, yeah. Any other ideas, like how would you, yeah?
Just say set aside scripting in basically any environment because every POSIX environment has Python installed as basic package.
Yeah, that's
like
also
some shit like Ubuntu has 2.7, but most other distributions like 3 or 5 or 3.6.
Yeah, they should have Python 3 soon because there's Python countdown. But I usually teach like complete beginners, so I don't usually tell them like there is server-side stuff. They have no idea what that is. So like if those targeted persons or people are like basic users of PC, like they use CSV or Excel, you know, just the basic stuff they learn in basic school, you know. Yeah. So any other ideas? Like that was a short discussion.
So what about automating Excel or manipulating
CSV
Excel files and so on?
Yeah. The Excel files, yeah, there are some Python libraries for that. But yeah, usually
there
CSV.
Some kind of API for Google Docs and stuff like that as
Yeah,
well,
also.
what I use now.
I think that's more updated than the Excel stuff, and I think that's like more friendly than the Microsoft plugin.
I used to teach Python back in Brazil to high school students, and they got pretty excited when I automated Tinder for them.
Automated what?
Tinder.
Yeah, I don't know. Nice. Okay, slightly
It's a
nicer.
mouse click, you open in the browser and you get the location of the click, and then they say like click here. And then swipe right.
Robots.
Robots, yes. Yeah, the MicroPython and stuff. Yeah, that's very nice. Actually, my colleague he was on some the summer camps, and he made, for example, like some kind of robot which uses like some kind of sensor and tells you how far you are from something, like you know, like bats do. And the kids, they just had the ice card, and they just, you know, oriented through this sound, and it was very interesting for them. It was quite easy, and this is one of the best things how you can get people like you write stuff, and it actually does something in real life. So that's a very good example. Well, this is lightning talk, so we already passed. So my idea was that, for example, I have some high school student, and I was asking her like, what do you want to do? And this is few examples what you can do. This is what I was working on a year ago, and now I opened the GitHub page, and it was too complex. I didn't understand it. So we did something simpler. We just did some Reddit bot and which searches for some cats and downloads it. And basically the target was to teach her SQL alchemy and just how to structuralize data. Like we had a list of digs, and now if you do it like this way, then you have to work it like this way. So the idea, what I had and what I wanted to prepare, but I didn't, is some kind of page, because I was just searching for it, and I remember there was some page like what you can do in Python, and there was like a list of topics, and you could just get some ideas from it what you can do. But now I couldn't find it. So my idea was to get all of these ideas on one page, and when I teach those students, and now there is this time to you can do stuff. To just show them the page, and they will just pick. If they don't have any idea on their own, they can just pick something from there, and it could be like, this will teach you this, and the goal is to have this idea about this library and such. And yeah, that was the idea, and the reason I named it Coffee with Pomeranch. How is it in English? Pomeranch. Orange. Okay, Coffee with orange. Is something that you don't usually do. Like, well, it's kind of nice. I recommend it, but I want to many people have many ideas, and they just wanted to keep it for themselves. Like I will have this idea, and this will be huge, and I will make huge money with it and such. But it's very complex usually, and Python is open source, and you usually get something done with other people. So just if you have any idea, well, I have a couple of ideas. For example, a bunch of ideas I keep getting. So I just wanted to share them, and if anyone is interested, they can just, well, it can be on GitHub also, of course. Like anyone can search it on GitHub, but it's hard to find it. And you can just go on Reddit or somewhere and make videos about it, and this is what I do, and I want more people to get in. But you can do it different ways. So this is just an idea for a different way. So what I was saying that, for example, I want to do like scan bills and get an idea how much money I spend for beers for all the time, since high school and such. I keep all the bills, so it's like a huge box now, and I just want to get the idea of that. And some people might use it as well, and they might get the same idea. So then they can work on this together, and yeah, finish the project, because it's hard to finish the project on your own. Sometimes other people will just get in, and that's how open source works, right? So yeah, this is one of the ideas. Other ideas is like home automation, because for example I use this PC engine. It's like well, not this PC engine. PC engine is Swiss company, and it's this little hardware, and it costs like 3,500 in Czech shops, and it has AMD processor, like 1 gigahertz. Yeah, it's 64-bit. It's not some ARM, and it can serve as a nice router or as anything, like any server in your home, because it just eats 10 watts, and you can just basically do anything. You can connect some MicroPython stuff on it, do some sensors, just do the home automation, and do it open source. Because now I hear there are some like home automation stuff on Apple and stuff, and costing like huge amount of money, like new car. So you can do this, make it open source, and like share the idea, and teach people how to do it. So people can do it for much less money, and not buy very expensive stuff and feed the companies. So that was my idea. I have some time now, so I will probably make the page and add it to the Bible page later, as this video will be there. So yeah, you can then other ideas as well. So that's it.